Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making pesto. First we're making a basil pesto. You'll need 2 cups of basil, 1/3 of a cup of toasted pine nuts, half a cup of grated parmesan and half a cup of olive oil. You'll also need salt and pepper to season as you go. Start by pulsing the basil and pine nuts together so you have a rough mixture. Now add the cheese and continue pulsing the mixture together. You'll need to scrape the sides of your blender down from time to time. Now you can start streaming in the olive oil in a slow, steady stream. Continue to mix until the pesto is emulsified in the blender. Pause every so often to check the taste and season to your liking. For the second pesto I'm making, you'll need 2 cups in total of coriander, spinach and basil, half a cup of olive oil, 1/3 of a cup of toasted cashews and half a cup of grated parmesan. Start by pulsing together the basil, coriander and spinach with the cashews. Add the parmesan and continue pulsing the mixture together. Again, like the first pesto, you'll need to scrape down the sides of your blender from time to time. Start streaming in the olive oil in a slow, steady stream and continue to mix until the pesto is emulsified. Pause every so often to check the taste and season to your liking. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like or consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.